My boy Ripper going in. Look at that. Look at that grip. Man, Bruno better not rip the teeth out. Guys, welcome back to DannyTV and welcome back to another Ram 2500 episode. It is a brand new week for us and I'm ready to crush it. I hope all of you had a great weekend. Shout out to all the peeps I met out there on the lake. I hope you guys are watching as well. And if you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button for more awesome builds. Anyways, today we're gonna continue working on the bed. And in the previous episode, we did get the bed skin replaced and primered in. So today's goal is to go ahead and seal and paint the bed. And if things go smooth, we should be able to get it installed on the truck. Stay tuned and let's get started, boys. We got the primer blocked down and I went back and wet sanded the whole bed. I didn't want to bore you guys with any of the sanding, but now we're pretty much good to go and ready for sealer. Tailgate prepped as well. All we did was just delete the emblem, and to cover that indentation up, I just used a piece of the bedside skin. All right, guys, so the base coat's laid down. It laid down really nice and smooth. We gave it about 3 coats to give it a nice coverage. Now it's time to mix up some clear and slick it in, boys. Kind of screwed up here. The lift is topped out. I didn't get the straps tight enough and it's not clearing the bumper. Let's go ahead and pull that sucker off and keep moving right along. What's up, guys? Next day here, and last night we did get the bed position on the truck. I jumped under there this morning and got the bolts nice and tight. And before we jump on the tailgate, I am gonna go ahead and reinstall the bumper. I know it's got some damage, but I do just wanna get the truck ready for inspection. We'll just deal and replace that later on. For now, stay tuned and let's start piecing this sucker back together. Guys, check this out. The front end is finally all back together. All the hard work and time is finally paying off. Here's the new grill I ordered. I think it looks a whole lot cleaner than the other one, and everything fits up pretty well up front, except for this little gap right over here, which we are going to take care of once I get the bumper back off. But we're just going to leave the truck alone for now before we start tearing it back apart and getting the front end painted. We're just going to go ahead and get the paperwork started so I could get the title in. But I did take the truck for a quick spin around the block yesterday, and I gotta say, I love the way it drives. Not sure what kind of boost we're pushing, but I could pretty much spin the tires at any speed we want. So I'm super excited and even more motivated to get the truck done. We also got the front windshield installed and the headliner. Check that out. We were having issues with the VIN plate that goes right there since I did end up swapping the cab, but we got that issue resolved, and now we are on our way. Pretty much all we have to do is take care of the airbag light and we could get the truck inspected. The bed is all bolted down. We got the rear fender liners on. The rear bumper, like I said, does have some damage, but I've already got a new one on order and we're just gonna color match it like the front one. The tailgate's all back together. And check this out, the bed cleaned up really nice. There was like a bunch of wet sanding streaks from like the primer and whatnot, and all that came off. So we don't have to re-bedline the bed. That's pretty awesome. Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made a lot of good progress on the Ram and the beast is coming together. It's crazy to say that just a couple of months ago this truck was smashed, rolled over and totaled out, and we almost got the beast roadworthy again, of course after we passed the state inspection. With all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications for more awesome builds like this. Follow us on Instagram at danny.tv. The link is in the description. And if you do want to support your boys and copy some merch, be sure to shop DannyTV.com. Link is also in the description. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to drop a like on this video. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.